Hey Aaron, in this short video, I'm going to show you a typical scenario that happens in a customer service industry. Hi, I need some help with my recent order. I have the invoice ID, but just need to confirm the shipping address. Can you assist me with that? Of course, Vincent, please provide me with the invoice ID and I will look up the details for you. The invoice ID is 332376. The e-commerce company has implemented Azure AI Search to enhance document discoverability and streamline customer service operations. The customer service representative uses Azure AI Search to locate the invoice details. First, they upload the invoices to Azure Blob Storage, which serves as the source data. Azure AI Search document cracking features extract the content and structure from the files in blob storage. Next, custom skills are used to extract key information from the invoices, such as the invoice ID and customer address. The skill set configured with Azure functions calls the Azure AI Document Intelligence to extract the necessary information. The extracted data is then enriched, producing structured output like invoices IDs and customers' addresses. Document enrichments ensure that the data is organized and easily accessible. Finally, an index field is created for the invoice IDs and customer addresses. Index creations allow for efficient search and retrieval of documents. The customer service representative searches for the documents using the invoice ID provided by the customer. User can search for documents in Azure AI Search by providing inputs such as the invoice ID to quickly locate the relevant addresses. Here we go. I found your invoice. The shipping address associated with invoice ID 332376 is 101L Camino Real Cupertinos, CA 98024. That's perfect. Thank you so much for your help. You're welcome, Vincent. If you have any further questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Azure AI Search is a powerful AI-driven solution that combines built-in and custom AI capabilities to make document content easily searchable and accessible, enabling efficient information retrieval and applications. Thank you. I will see you in my next video.